So yesterday I was driving a really bad rainstorm, actually a nor'easter, on Route 10 in New Jersey, which is 2 lanes each direction, as you see here in the video. And I figured to put on the autopilot system to see how it works. And I have to say that it worked pretty well. Like I always tell you about autopilot, you have to keep your hands on, you have to be alert. It's not 100%. As you see, this is a road that has lights, so it will not stop at the red lights or stop signs, so you have to be in charge. But it was a very good experience to see how the car performs in a rainstorm. It did keep the speed limit, obviously. It would slow down, like you will see soon. Here it is. It's going to slow down. And this car came right in front of me, and I didn't apply the brakes. I let the autopilot system do the job, so to speak. So it did perform very well in the rain. And as always, I can give you the same advice. Always keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road, just in case. Alright, so here it is, and it's going to stop right behind this car. Alright, guys, thanks. See you tomorrow.